Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. I'm Amy. This is the third video of the series Knowledge about the Solar Panel, 6 Benefits of Installing PV in your home. Knowledge about solar panel is a series of videos explaining to people about PV modules. We want to help people better understand PV products and to make human energy sustainable faster. If you like this video, please follow our channel and let more people know. Let's build a green community together. We all know the rising price of oil and natural gas and the cost of electricity. Solar power is becoming increasingly attractive. PV system is a power generation system that uses solar cells to convert solar energy into electricity. Residential PV systems are installed and used mainly by using the unused resources of existing buildings in the home, such as roofs, facades, balconies, courtyards, etc. Are you also considering installing a solar power system for your home? Through this video, let's learn about the 6 benefits of installing solar panels at home. 1. Save money from your electricity bills. Most people choose to install a PV system because it significantly reduces their electricity bills and lower household expenses. Currently, many people in Europe are shocked by seeing the electricity bill because of the quite high cost. With a PV system, you will pay less than 80% on your electric bill. During the day, you can use the electricity directly from the PV system instead of from the grid. If you also install a battery, you can store the unused solar energy during the day for use at night or on rainy days. This can further reduce your electricity bill. Many homeowners who install PV systems and storage systems no longer have to pay their electric bills. Some house owners even sell their excess electricity to the grid and make money. 2. Environmentally friendly. Solar energy is a new renewable energy source that is truly green. Solar power itself uses no fuel, emits no substances, including greenhouse gases and other emissions, does not pollute the air, and produces no radiation that is harmful to human health. The world is in the midst of a historical transition from traditional energy sources to renewable energy sources, and everyone is a participant. By choosing solar energy, you are an important part of the energy transition. Usually, a small distributed power generation system with an installed capacity of 3,000 watts generates 3,650 kWh and 91,250 kWh in 25 years. That is equivalent to saving 36.5 tons of standard oil and reducing 94.9 tons of carbon dioxide and 0.8 tons of sulfur dioxide. Therefore, installing a PV system to supply power to the family is important for itself, our generation, and nature. 3. High return on investment. The return on investment for installing a PV system depends on 2 main conditions: the installed PV capacity and the system investment. PV system is an energy device that will work for you for more than 25 years. It is definitely worth it. For example, the general home PV system installation capacity is about 5,000 watts. The system investment is about 6,000 to 8,000 euros. In addition, countries and regions have corresponding tax incentives and new energy subsidies. Depending on the lighting conditions, customer-side tariffs, subsidies, and system costs. Generally, 7 to 10 years will be able to pay back the cost, and the remaining 15 years of electricity generated by the income will become your profit. 4. Low maintenance cost. After a long period of use, dirt will remain on the surface of PV modules. It can lead to shading and thus reducing power generation efficiency. However, since most PV modules have a certain tilt angle, the dirt will be washed away with precipitation. so the cleaning cost of PV module is low. Besides, professional installers provide service including installation, commissioning, maintenance, and troubleshooting. You can sign a contract with the installer for regular maintenance of the PV system. 5. Shading and cooling. Rooftop solar panels can also insulate and cool your house. When sunlight hits the PV modules, part of it is absorbed and converted into electricity, and the other part is reflected back at PV modules. According to the relevant professional institutions test, the roof of the building installed solar panels compared to the building is not installed. The indoor temperature is reduced by 5 to 8 degrees. For the ordinary household users, in the hot summer, the reduction of indoor temperature can greatly save the air conditioning electricity bill. 6. Increase the value of your house. A home PV system is a modern, forward-thinking addition to a house. While many house owners are interested in powering their homes with solar energy, not all of them will take the plunge. Houses with PV systems tend to be valued higher and sell faster than houses without them, and it can make buyers feel like their new home is future-proof. Solar is the future. This has become a growing consensus. Installing a home PV system is both a beneficial investment and a demonstration of responsibility to the environment and the community. If you have other unique experiences with home PV, welcome to leave your ideas in the comments to let more people know about the benefits of PV. If this video is helpful to you, please like and forward it to your friends. Looking forward to meeting you in the next video. See you soon.